Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Vocab Listening Channel. How are you today? In today's video, we're going to listen to a simple conversation that takes place at a cafe. You will follow an easy and relaxing story about two coworkers taking a break together at a cafe after a long day at work. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so it will be easier for you to understand. So please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully during the conversation to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. Here is today's question. What kind of coffee does David like to drink? The answer appears in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. Even writing one simple sentence in English can help you improve your English skills. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, I feel really exhausted today.
You look a little tired, David. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm just very tired from work today.
I understand. It has been a long day for both of us.
I think I really need a short break.
Honestly, I need a break too. I've been working since early this morning.
Same here. I've been staring at my computer all day.
That sounds tiring.
Do you want to get something to drink?
A drink? That actually sounds really nice.
What kind of drink are you thinking about?
I think I'd like some coffee.
Coffee sounds perfect right now.
Yes, I really need some coffee for energy.
Me too. Coffee always helps me feel awake.
Smiles. It's like magic sometimes.
So, how about going to a cafe?
A cafe? That's a great idea.
Do you know any good cafes around here?
Actually, yes. There's a nice little cafe very close to our office.
Really? I didn't know there was a cafe nearby.
It opened not long ago. I went there once last week.
Oh, nice. Is it good?
Yes, it's very cozy and the coffee is great.
That sounds perfect. Let's go there.
Sure, just give me a moment first.
No problem.
I need to finish sending this email.
Take your time. I'll grab my bag and jacket.
Okay, almost done.
No rush.
All right, I finished the email.
Great. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready now.
Let's go get some coffee.
Excited. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. I love spending time in cafes.
A good cup of coffee can really improve the day.
That's so true.
Okay, let's go.
All right, here we are.
Oh, this must be the cafe you were talking about.
Yes, this is the place.
Looking around, it looks really nice from the outside.
Just wait until you see the inside.
Really?
Let's go in.
Wow, you're right. It's even nicer inside.
I told you.
It feels very warm and cozy in here.
And can you smell the coffee?
Yes, that smell is amazing.
Fresh coffee always smells wonderful.
I really love that smell.
Look at the tables and chairs.
They look very comfortable.
And everything looks very clean.
Oh, look at the counter over there.
Yes, that's where we order.
I can see many drinks behind the counter.
And look over there.
Oh, cakes and sandwiches?
They look really delicious.
Now I'm starting to feel hungry too.
Same here.
There are quite a lot of people here today.
Yes, this cafe is pretty popular.
I can understand why. It's a lovely place.
The music is nice too.
Yes, it's very calm and relaxing.
This is a perfect spot for a short break.
Let's find a table.
How about that one near the window?
Oh, that's perfect.
You like sitting by the window?
Yes, I really do.
Then let's sit there.
Great idea.
I already like this place.
Me too.
Now we just need to look at the menu.
Right. Where is the menu?
Oh, look, it's right here on the table.
Perfect. Let's check it out.
All right, let's see what they have on the menu.
Wow, there are many choices.
Yes, there are a lot of drinks here.
Of course, they have coffee.
And they also have tea.
I see lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos too.
That's quite a variety.
I'm trying to decide what to order.
Take your time.
Oh, a latte sounds really nice.
That's a good choice.
But wait, what's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte usually has more milk,
I see.
and a cappuccino has more foam on top.
I think I would like a latte then.
Because you like milk?
Exactly. I enjoy creamy coffee.
That makes sense.
Oh, look, they also have iced drinks.
Yes, iced coffee and iced tea.
Are you going to order a hot drink or an iced drink?
I think I'll have a hot drink.
You always drink hot coffee, don't you?
Yes, I prefer hot coffee.
I like hot drinks too, but today feels a little warm outside.
That's true.
So I think I'll order something cold.
Like an iced latte?
Yes, an iced latte sounds perfect today.
That sounds refreshing.
Do you add sugar or milk to your coffee?
No, not really.
Really?
I like my coffee plain.
So just black coffee?
Yes, just black coffee.
Wow, that's strong.
I know.
I can't drink black coffee.
It has a strong flavor, but I like it.
I prefer coffee with milk and a little sugar.
That's completely fine.
Everyone likes their coffee differently.
Exactly.
So you will order a hot black coffee.
Yes.
And I'll order a medium iced latte with milk and a little sugar.
Sounds like a good plan.
Should we also check the food menu?
Actually, I'm starting to feel hungry.
Me too.
Let's take a look at the food menu too.
Good idea. I'm definitely hungry now.
Did you eat much for lunch today?
Not really. I only had a small lunch.
Same here. That's probably why I'm so hungry now.
Let's see what they offer.
I can see cakes, sandwiches, cookies, muffins, and bread.
Wow, that's a lot of choices.
Everything sounds delicious.
It's hard to decide.
Oh, look at this picture.
Which one?
This cake here on the menu.
Oh, wow. That cake looks amazing.
It looks very sweet.
Yes, and it looks very fresh, too.
I think I'm going to order the cake.
That sounds like a good choice.
What about you?
I think I'll order a sandwich.
Because you're really hungry?
Exactly. I need something bigger.
The sandwiches here look very fresh.
Look at the bread in the picture.
It looks soft and warm.
Yes, I think the sandwich will be perfect.
What about the cookies?
They look good too.
Are you sure you don't want cookies instead?
Maybe next time.
And the muffins also look tasty.
That's true.
Do you want to try a muffin today?
Maybe another day.
Why not today?
I don't want to eat too much right now.
That makes sense.
The sandwich will be enough for me.
And the cake will be perfect for me.
So let's check our order.
Okay.
1 hot black coffee for you.
Right.
1 iced latte with a little sugar for me.
Yes.
1 sandwich.
And?
1 piece of cake.
Perfect.
Who will order?
I can go to the counter.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's no problem.
Thank you. That's very kind.
I'll be back in a moment.
Okay, I'll wait here. Hello. Welcome to our cafe. What would you like to order?
Hi, I'd like an iced latte, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like sugar in your latte?
Yes, just a little sugar.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes, 1 medium hot coffee.
Would you like milk or sugar with that?
No, thank you, just black coffee.
All right. Anything to eat?
Yes, 1 sandwich and 1 piece of cake.
Great choice. Our cake is very popular.
That's good to hear.
Is this order for here or to go?
For here, we're sitting by the window.
Perfect. Your total is $12.50.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. We'll bring your order shortly.
Great, thank you.
Oh, you're back already?
Yes, I just finished ordering.
Great. Did everything go smoothly?
Yes, it was very easy.
Good. So our drinks and food will come soon?
The staff said they will bring everything to the table.
Perfect.
I'm really hungry now.
Me too. I can't wait to eat.
Oh, look, I think they're bringing our order.
Yes, I see the drinks.
And the food, too.
Finally.
Here comes the coffee.
Thank you.
Everything looks great.
Let me try my coffee first.
Be careful, it might be very hot.
Good point. I'll wait a second.
Fresh coffee is always hot.
Okay, I think it's cool enough now.
Go ahead.
Mmm,
How is it?
it's really good.
That's great.
It's strong and full of flavor.
Just the way you like it?
Exactly. Strong black coffee is my favorite.
I'm glad you like it.
Now you should try your drink.
Yes, let me try my iced latte.
How is it?
Oh, wow.
Is it good?
It's really smooth and cold.
Perfect for today?
Yes, it's very refreshing.
Did they add the sugar?
Yes, just a little.
Is it too sweet?
No, not at all.
That's good.
It's sweet, but not too sweet.
Sounds perfect. Now I want to try my cake.
Tell me how it tastes. That reaction sounds promising.
This cake is really delicious.
Is it soft?
Yes, very soft and sweet.
It looks amazing.
You should try some later.
Sure, but first I'll try my sandwich.
Yes, let's see how it is.
This is really good.
Is it fresh?
Very fresh.
How's the bread?
The bread is soft and warm.
That sounds great.
The vegetables are very fresh too.
I'm glad you like it.
Do you want to try a bite?
Yes, I'd love to.
Here, take a small piece.
Wow, you're right.
Good, right?
Yes, it's really tasty.
Now, can I try a little of your cake?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here, take a bite. Do you like it?
It's amazing.
I told you.
This cake is so sweet and soft.
Everything here tastes great.
I agree.
The drinks are good.
And the food is delicious.
Coming here was a great idea.
I feel much better now.
Me too.
A coffee break really helps.
Yes, it makes the day better.
My coffee is strong and perfect.
And my iced latte is smooth and refreshing.
The cake is excellent.
And the sandwich is very fresh.
I really like this cafe.
Me too. It's a wonderful place.
The chairs are comfortable.
And the atmosphere is relaxing.
The menu also has many choices.
Yes, there are so many drinks to try.
And the staff are very friendly.
That's true.
We should come back again sometime.
I agree.
Maybe next week?
Next week sounds great.
Next time, I might try a cappuccino.
Right, the one with more foam.
Exactly.
I think I want to try an espresso someday.
Espresso is very strong.
I want to experience it.
We can also try the muffins next time.
And the cookies too.
There are so many things to taste here.
That means we have to come back many times.
I don't mind that at all.
Neither do I.
But we should probably return to the office soon.
Yes, you're right.
I wish we could stay longer.
Me too.
But work is waiting for us.
All right, let's finish our drinks.
Then we'll head back.
Okay,
But we'll definitely come back next week.
absolutely.
Back to work.
Back to work. So, how was the conversation? I hope this video helped you practice and improve your English listening. Now let's go back to the question from the beginning. What kind of coffee does David like to drink? Did you hear the answer in the story? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even a short answer in English is great practice. By practicing like this, you can improve your English more effectively. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations to help beginners build listening and speaking confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave your answer in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.